In fact, hiccuping starts long before we take our first breath in the outside world. If you've ever seen a pregnant woman's belly jerk in little rhythmic twitches, that's likely her unborn baby hiccuping. Researchers think fetal hiccups help prepare the diaphragm for its future job, breathing. They might also play a role in training the muscles involved in swallowing, ensuring that a newborn can safely drink milk without choking. Even after birth, babies hiccup far more often than adults, which suggests this reflex is more than just a quirky accident of biology. But if hiccups are so useful early in life, why do we still get them as adults? The truth is, nobody knows for sure.